Today I'm going to be reviewing GASREKV's remote control Christmas tree light controller. Look at what you get right here. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Really cute. This does really well on Amazon. It's got 4.7 stars. 1,000 of these were bought in October 2025. And we're going to take a look at this and see how it works on a Christmas tree. But it does have sounds on here when you're using this, as you can hear there. And this is going to turn on your lights and everything like that. So I'm going to hook this up to my Christmas tree and let's see how well this works. All right, here's the Christmas tree. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in. You hold this down. Once it's plugged in, you plug in either both or one, and then you hold this down to power it on to red. Once we have that on, I'll show you how the remote works. So you'll see back there it is. You just put it in there, and there's a little red light on the front. I'm not sure if you can see that. Little red light right there. Once it's on there, then you know you're good to go. All right, so there's the tree. Now our tree has some settings and stuff. Here is the gingerbread. It has an on-off right here. If you hit it once, you hear the sound, and it will go on or off, right? So it's already on. So it's like that. If you want to change the music, you just hit the on button twice. And so you've got 3 different songs. So there's that. And there you go. And if you don't want any music, you actually hold the off button for a few seconds. And then what that will do, will not only turn it off, as you see there, but it won't make a noise when you turn it back on, so you can hear. So now I can adjust it without it making the music. So really cool idea, really cute, and it works. I hope this review helps you, and I'll see you next time.